As I said, somewhat unexpectedly. What did you make of it?
It was somewhat unexpected. We did see a bit of a cautious start to the week yesterday, but as you mentioned, the ASX 200 is trading higher today. I suspect that was a result of the rally we saw in US stocks overnight, particularly the Nasdaq, which was up 1.8%. As a result, we have seen our healthcare and information technology sectors trading higher today, but we've also seen that materials space trading higher today as well, up around 1.9%. We did see some higher commodity prices coming through overnight, and in particular iron ore, which was up 0.3%. We have been seeing iron ore coming under significant pressure lately, so it was nice to see a bit of an increase overnight, and as a result we did see some of those big iron ore miners coming into positive territory. BHP today is up 2% and Rio up 3%, but of course that was a result of some earnings upgrades we got from JP Morgan for those stocks as well. So overall it has been a positive day on the market today ahead of the budget tonight.
Increasing M&A activity from China as well. A number of companies in the firing line, so to speak, like Aquila Resources, another one. What did you make of the PanAust offer? I know they've said that it's too low and it materially undervalues the company. Is this a lowball bid just to set the scene?
Well, I think it was a positive news for investors today. We've obviously seen PanAust trading higher, closing up around 35%. So it's obviously been taken well by the market today. We know that they are still looking at that bid. It's come in at $2.30, but the company's saying that it does need to be higher than that $2.30 bid. But as you said, we have been seeing a lot of merger and acquisition activity coming through on our market. Recently, we've seen that consortium between Australia and China acquire that 99-year lease for the Newcastle port. But also we saw China's Bayo Steel partner up with Australia's Orica to acquire the iron ore and coal producer Aquila Resources, again coming out of China. But as well, last week or towards the end of last week, we saw that Hong Kong consortium come through and really trump APA's bid for Investra. So it is significant. It is evident that we are seeing a lot of M&A activity coming out of China, and of course today from China's Guangdong for PanAust as well. And this really, I think, suggests that the Chinese are looking at long-term strategic options and potentially taking advantage of some of those lower commodity prices coming through, in particular those iron ore and copper prices.
Orica, is there any way back in the medium term?
Oh look, we do remain fairly neutral on this stock, and as Michael said, they are facing significant pressures, particularly from that slowdown in Chinese demand. So that really is going to have an impact on their mining services and chemicals division. So the outlook, we believe, for the stock is fairly neutral. There are a couple of positives for the company, but only forecasting very slight increases in earnings per share growth over 2014 and 2015, and we do probably prefer Incitec pivot in that mining services space.